Aarushi Mendiratta. I am from class 7B and today I will be doing a science activity. So the aim of this activity is to create a model of an underwater volcano. The materials required for this activity is boiling hot water, some food coloring, and a glass of normal water. We will also need a lowering device which I have done by strapping a cap to a scale. Procedure. I take my hot water and put some food coloring in it. I make sure it's well mixed. And step 2, I will take this boiling device, fill it up with this boiling hot water, leaving no air at the top, and plunge it straight inside. Observation. We can see that all of the colored water, which is really hot, has gone straight to the top. There is no colored water at the bottom, which means that all of the hot water always rises up. So our conclusion is that hot water rises and cold water sinks. So when we put the warm water inside the glass, all of it went straight to the top, which we could see because it was colored.